Hey, it's Harold from Ask the Motor Guy, and this is our newest motorcycle that we have got into our showroom. You know, we're getting new motorcycles put together every day, and I said, you know what I want to do this year? I want to do a walk around of all the new bikes. And I saw this one get put together. I said, man, that is a good looking bike, and we need to do a video ahead of other stuff just so people can get a feel for what this is. This is a TrailMaster. This is the TM29. Now, I don't know. You can give it a name if you'd like to. We can call it the Thundercat if you want to. But it's the TM29 from TrailMaster. And what's nice about this particular machine, it's 125cc, but it's not itsy bitsy. It's not a tiny little machine. It has all the things that you're looking for in a nice dirt bike. You know, you've got the heavy duty forward shocks there. You've got what appears to be a really nice set of spoked wheels. Obviously, it's got disc brakes with the reservoirs right up here on the handlebars. It's got the breakaway handles. That's nice when you hit the ground and it doesn't just jam and snap your handle. It breaks away there. The adjusters for the throttle, breakaways on the clutch handle right there as well. Got the kill switch right on the machine. And this is a manual transmission. This particular machine also has kickstart. It is also has, and this is kind of neat, right down there in the bottom, that's the electric start. You know, you have good access to the carburetor. It's got good framework on it. I like how it's the cradle is holding that engine right there. It's got adjustable shocks, good size seat. You know, it's not too big. It's got a nice size to it, and I think it's going to be a good bike for someone. So what makes this one special? This is a 125, and we've ran into folks that have wanted 125s in the past, but they were just too darn big for that size motor. You know, this particular 125, what makes it special is it's almost as big as the 150 that we offer here. It's got a nice looking chain guard in the back there. I think this is going to be a really fun bike. When you're looking at this bike, it also has a skid plate on the bottom of the motor. Those disc brakes in front. It's got a manual choke on it right there on the side of the carburetor. You can see the on-off fuel. I think you're going to be able to use this bike and have a wonderful time with it and not be worried that you've got something that you're not going to be able to control, or that if you buy it for a family member, they're not going to be able to ride with comfort. You got the padding there on the handlebars. Hey, if you've got any questions about this bike, right there you can check your oil. I want you to comment, put a post in the comment and tell us, hey man, there's the master cylinder right there in back, right out there to the brake. Put a comment, ask us some questions, because, you know, looking at this looks like a fine bike. I don't have any real complaints looking at it. Don't really have any. It's got a nice fender system here. I really don't have anything. I like the tire that I can say that would make me not want to carry this bike or have this bike. This is the TrailMaster T29. I think you ought to take a look at it.